Hello again. Well, we've seen some warm weather in places through the last few days with blue skies, light winds, and one or two of us have been up into the high teens. As we go through the next few days, well, it is all change as much colder air is set to sweep across the UK, driven on by what will be quite a strong north to northeast wind. And yes, for some of us, even though we're jumping forward into spring by putting the clocks forward, well, the weather's taken a step back. Some wintry showers are not out of the question, particularly on Sunday. But out there for Friday then, a lot of sunshine to come once again, particularly across England and Wales. The western side of Northern Ireland not doing too bad either. A bit of fair weather cloud perhaps spoiling that sunshine from time to time across parts of southern counties of England. Northern Scotland also seeing some sunny spells, albeit with a few showers, but it's across parts of central southern Scotland where we've got thicker cloud, one or two spots of light rain and drizzle, not amounting to much, but certainly a damp feel to things here. Now in the rest of the sunshine further south, where again we could see temperatures perhaps as high as 14 or 15 degrees, West Wales, parts of southwest England, but where we've got exposure to this onshore breeze down across the eastern side of England, well, maybe 10 degrees on the thermometer, but feeling colder. And generally speaking, we're starting to see some slightly lower temperatures across the UK compared to earlier in the week. Now on through Friday afternoon and into the evening, we'll continue to push this cloud a little bit further south out of parts of Scotland, more bodily into northern England as we go into the evening, Northern Ireland clouding over too. Well, again, one or two spots of rain coming out of this, but not amounting to much. And some clearer spells developing with perhaps a touch of frost across northern Scotland later in the night. But it's across the southern half of England and Wales as well, where like with recent nights with predominantly clear skies, those temperatures will fall low enough for a more widespread frost, although with more breeze around, keeping the air mixed up, temperatures not as low as what we've seen on some mornings earlier in the week. High pressure is in charge then for this weekend, centred to the northwest of the UK, quite an intense feature this area of high pressure, and particularly through Sunday we're going to see this push of strong cold north to northeasterly winds, the blues on the charts there indicating some pretty cold air coming down across the UK, so it's going to be feeling pretty cold if you are out and about. So for Saturday morning then, some sunshine to start the day across the southern half of England and Wales. Make the most of that if you can, because more cloud will be pushing its way further south through the day, so skies tended to cloud up a bit here. This is all tied in with this weak weather front, not a lot of rain on it, but this is the defining line between the relatively warm weather and much colder weather set to move in. Some sunny spells then for northern Scotland through the afternoon, but those temperatures falling away, so just 5 or 6 degrees here. Factor in quite a strong northerly wind, it's going to feel colder than that. Perhaps we'll be into double figures in shelter spots in the south, but even here temperatures coming down through the day. Skipping forward to Sunday then, and generally speaking more cloud in the sky across much of the UK. Still some sunny spells, I think the best of which will be out towards the west. Northern Ireland not doing too bad, southwest Scotland too. But thicker cloud towards the northern and eastern coast will be capable of producing a scattering of showers, and don't be surprised if you're high up across parts of northern and eastern Scotland, maybe northeast England, to see the odd flake of snow coming in there. It will be feeling cold, and when you factor in the strength of the wind, well, temperatures mid-single figures, well, it's going to be feeling more like 0 to -2, so if you do step outside, you'll be sure to wrap up warm. Of course, into next week, it stays mostly dry. I think there'll be quite a lot of cloud around, a few showers still, but I think as we move on through the week, whilst it does stay chilly, we will lose the strength of the wind, so perhaps not feeling quite as cold. And of course, the best place to keep up to date with the forecast is by checking out the Met Office online at metoffice.gov.uk. Take care.